Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi and welcome back to D Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm going to be showcasing my Royalty Profits AI Volume 2, which is launching on August the 21st at 11 a.m. Eastern on Warrior Plus. Last year's version generated us over 1,763 sales. That's 1,763 customers that purchased Royalty Profits AI. And basically, it's a successful product that actually promises you to generate royalties and actually get books on Amazon without any prior experience whatsoever. So let me give you a little backstory. I started my career with KDP in August 2024. I managed to basically make a sale overnight, overnight. And through a strategy that I had from where I created a book using AI, I manually built the book using ChatGPT. I built chapter 1, chapter 2, took me about 20-30 minutes, and then took me about 10-15-20 minutes to upload. And then I made my sale through a strategy that I discovered where I thought, hey, let me try this instead of that. And I didn't pay for any traffic. So this was free traffic overnight, once again, and it works. Since that time, all I've been doing is making sales on complete autopilot, selling books, and also creating books for myself, where I'm an author for these books that I'm selling currently on Amazon KDP. All these books were created using AI. They're still selling today, and I'm proud to be an author because I'm taking my idea, a link, a video, something, and I'm creating books from them. I'm an actual author on Amazon, and I've been doing this since 2024 successfully. So what happened was I created KDP AI Crack, which was a training course teaching you how to generate these books, how to put them online, etc., and how to make money, obviously. And then I have my partner, Alex Krulik, that we've managed to create beautiful products throughout the years. And he took my idea, my dream, and put it into a software that does even more than what I was hoping for. Now, one thing that is different from our software, from everything else out there, is that we risk, and we also make sure that nobody gets in trouble because of our risk. And what does this mean? It means that I'm going to save you so much time when you're publishing your books on Amazon KDP. I'm going to help you generate that royalty almost overnight because my strategy is 100% legit and works. And plus, the fact that you can just push your book over to Amazon and then just go into Amazon to publish it is a life changer and life saver in terms of time, energy, and money you'd be throwing around. Okay? So first of all, this is my own little account. This is not fake results. This is based on what I've been able to achieve through my Royalty Profits AI software. Now, we've built this. We were probably the pioneers in building these for the books. Lately, a lot of people have been coming out with ebook AI book creations, but this was built from the inside because we know exactly what is needed and also how we are selling our own ones that we're not sharing with anybody else. And plus, we've got some features on here that you're going to enjoy and you're going to love our software because it's really fun to do and we're saving you a lot of time. So this year, we've added a lot of new stuff, new features, new upsells. In the front end of the software, you're going to be able to create your book almost immediately and under 6 minutes based on all the information that you're going to be giving it. We've added the character library where you can build characters and you can build worlds where you can create series of books that you would like to create. And the beautiful thing is that we've got a book factory this year where you can actually build multiple books instantly right off the back from your dashboard right here. So for example, in my campaign, I created 16 books for popcorn maker that I'm actually selling. And these books are being pushed over into my Amazon KDP store where I'm actually selling them on here as well. Now, this is a book that I created the other day, and it's a series of this and this. So I've created a novel, mystery novel, where I'm creating characters that I'm using them in the other novels as well, and putting them together. Okay, so this was created, popcorn, recipes, you name it, I've created it. Okay, and it's basically also based on whatever trends is happening right now in online. So for example, I did my research and I found out, raw recipes, which ones is needed is there's a large gap in global flavors. So I went out and created an ebook based on this, straight from this. Okay, so I'm going to show you all this in a second. I'm just giving you an overview of what we've created. And plus, there's a full-on training taking you step by step with my strategies and everything that you can create using our software. Now, the training is top-notch. It's exactly what I've used to generate my royalties from selling and putting my books out there, and also everything that I've been doing for the past 2 years. Now, let's get started with our book creation. Now, first things first, you can create a campaign from here or a book series. It's up to you on what you do. But the new thing is that we can create a new book series. So you can generate and plan your book from here. But before you do, you'd like to build your characters. So you can come in and build your character. And we've built in an inside demo, categories and stuff that you can help you build. So I want to build something from this. Okay, so let's do a young adult. Let's do a male. He's about this tall. His lean, short hair, blue eyes, brown eyes, sharp features. If you have any character details, you can add them. Okay, so I'm just gonna go click on next. So right now it took all the information that I created. I can upload an image if I'd like, or just go ahead and let it build this for you. So right now it's building me a character that I might be wanting to use in a series of a book that I want to create, and making it very easy for anybody just to point, click. Okay, I'm not doing anything else. Just doing that. Okay, give it a second, and this is going to generate the character sheet. So here we go. We have our character sheet. It's ready, and all we have to do is save it. Now we can use this character in any of the books that we create. Now let's create a world as well, where we want to create a modern, warm colors, cinematic, and no magic. Let's see what it creates. Okay, so we're just building a world right now where we can take that character or any character and put it in that world, and you can keep on doing that, and you can build a series based on whatever it is. This is where we're making things easy for everybody, very straightforward, very step by step, and whatsoever. So now if it pre-filled everything that we need, my wizard, now it's building the image that we're going to be creating. The world that's going to be creating. So here's the world, and we're going to click on save. Okay, so now we have our world, and now we can go into our books, and we can create a series. And let's say we want to create about young man surviving the AI revolution. Assign world. I assign this. Assign character. I'll assign this guy. We want to do fantasy sci-fi readers. We want to be, let's see, we'll do storytelling. We can choose a country, a language on the ones that you can see right here. And books and series, let's do 3, for example, and click on next. So slowly it's going to be coming together, where I'm creating a new book series, for example. So this is going to take this book, and then you can interconnect with the other books that we're going to be creating. And you see how this all works seamless within your dashboard, making it so simple to create you series and books and novels that you can sell on Amazon KDP, which are pretty popular as well. Now, it gives you the first review so we can see what we're going to do. So this is called the meridian threshold. Covers the science that the ocean AI knows. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's called Drift Protocol. Adrian Avail at 28. Okay, perfect. And it gives you book 2, book 3. So all the book series that I wanted. And then I could click on next. Okay. So from here, how many pages do you want to do? Let's say I want to do 62, 80 or whatever. The author name. So for example, I'm the author or your avatar, whatever you want to do. You can put some information about you, etc., about who you are. Put some information about myself here, and then now we can go and this will give you the categories that it needs for whatever we're doing. So this is pretty cool. It fills it in. You don't need to worry about anything else. Click on next. We can include images, and maybe we can do illustration, cartoon, photorealistic. Okay, let's do illustration for this one, and include my author and title, and then click on next. We can choose a template. So let's do, for example, this would be science, well, classic novel, maybe. We can change the styles, page sizes. It's up to you. Maybe I want to change the reading, the writing. I'll do large print, for example. Click on next. And now we can generate the series. So this generates series with a click of a button. Makes it easy for everybody to go through. So let's go to the books. Okay, so right here, we've got our drafts. So we've got these 3 books that we have. And let me show you how simple it is to edit or check it out. You can come in and then we can build on this if we like. Okay, it's got all the information that we need. It's got the categories. We can add our affiliate links if we'd like, if we're promoting something. And we can also fix up the metadata for everything. So you're going to get keywords. Okay, so it's added the keywords. This covers the part of the description of the book, whatever. We'll put a price. Okay, and we are pretty much campaign status. We need to put it on active. We can change the titles, headlines if we didn't like them. Categories if we're good. We can add an affiliate link if we'd like. And then we could go to next. And again, everything is okay here. Next, and update campaign. Okay, so this is planning the book. It's building it. Let's move on to the next, just to make sure that this is all correct. Okay, we need to get the, okay, all that was already covered, but you need to put like a price to your book and click on next, next, update. That's planning as well in queue, and this one right here. So we'll just put the price. Everything else is good. Update campaign. I forgot to change this into active. Okay, and update campaign. So this is in queue. So these books are being planned. Now watch how fast it's going to be once they're done, how fast I'm going to be able to put it online, which makes a difference in terms of versus our competition out there, or even the book creation, because the inside the book creation tool that we have, the building the books, have special prompts that we've actually done a lot of investigation and making it sound as human as possible and giving you all types of options that you can actually do and create. I'm going to show you that example in another campaign that I'm going to create for a single book, but for now I'm showing you the series and how the worlds and characters work seamless. Now I have some surprises after we're done publishing the books, because from the books that we're going to be publishing, for example, I'm going to go to one of the books that I've already published. Okay, so I'm going to come to this one right here while the other ones are working, and I want to show you what we have extra that's going to blow your mind. So first things first, this is an example of what you would see once the book is done. You have the options of coming in, adding, moving chapters if you'd like, etc. Then you have the option of actually creating a video book for this. We're using a specific maybe voice, and you can generate the all chapters or just the first chapter. That you can actually create a video book that you can post online somewhere, short video where somebody's reading, and then you take them over to the site or the Amazon thing. So this is generating a video, and then we can also do an audiobook that from within your finished book. So that's an option as well. So you can create audiobooks, video books, and we can download your book PDF, EPUB down cover. You can regenerate your cover if you don't like it. And then we have added this awesome feature where we are going to be allowing you to use to build a landing page type website where you can build bonuses, pages, something. For example, if you wanted somebody to visit a page where it's talking about how to build better popcorn mixes, okay? You can create, choose a bonus, a resource list maybe, maybe something else that you'd like. You can suggest maybe with AI, where another bonus that you can give people to when they sign up before them purchasing the book, for example, okay? So you can, let me just allow it to do it, and then you can build bonuses within. And not only, you're going to be able to see it live and share this live using our subdomain. So you can take this and use it as you wish. And you can connect your autoresponders where Aweber, GetResponse, etc., where you can actually build a list from this as well. This is so cool. This is something new that we've done, and you can actually connect your Aweber and then choose your list from there, for example, or you can store it in your software or paste the form from your provider or build the form yourself. Now, in the book, you can actually add this QR code or something at the at certain chapters, if you'd like, at the end of the book, okay? And it will have a QR code as well that it will take them to this page that you're seeing, and you will get a thank you page, and the delivery will be there as well. And this is what's going to look like in the book. Okay, so it's all seamless again. So cool. And you can save it and you can download it if you like, but you can also upload it to your own hosting or use the host page that we're giving you for yourself. Okay, so this is a huge change this year. You can have it create your page, change it. You can save the PDF of the bonus, give it away, and it's pretty powerful. Okay, so you get a thank you page, a landing page. You can view it live, you can share it live, and you can get people to get it on their book. So, for example, I'm gonna save it, and we said that we wanted to use it on the end of the in the book. Okay, we have the book at the end of the placement. Okay, and then we are good. So in our books, this is going to have it inside my recipe book. Okay, at the end of the page, it's going to have it. Okay, so I'm going to restart this campaign so you can add the new QR codes inside the book where I can download, etc., unless it's already there. If you check the preview of the book and I scroll down to the end, this is the book of how it looks, by the way, the one that I created before. And here's where the QR code is. And once somebody comes here and puts it in the thing, it takes them over to the website that we built. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the website. Okay, so it's all there where people can put their emails and then you can deliver. And it's all hosted as well from us. But you can also have the ability to actually put it there. Okay, so here's the audiobook that we created as well that you can download and stuff like audiobook. And then this is still generating the video. Now, one of the books is already done for this one right here. So let's go ahead and fix it up just so you can see how it works. So this is my end result of my book. Let's say I want to create a read magnet for this. So what do I want to do? I want to create a bonus, maybe, and you can see there's all these stuff. Maybe the whole book, write it for me. Okay, something that they can get so we can help them with their guide. I don't even know what I'm creating, but it's something that maybe people would want to do. So right here, it's creating, where do we want to create it? Okay, it's still writing my page right now. Okay, so it's writing. And once it's done, I'm going to save it and then move on to the next step. So I'm going to be writing my page. The bonuses is already done, and this is going to fix up my page as well. It wrote my page just by clicking on it. I can regenerate if I like. I can change the design. I can add it into my autoresponder where I want them to go. In my book, I want to have it at the end of the book, and here's my link. Here's my link that I can use, etc. And you can also have where you want to deliver the bonus once they sign up to, and you can add some pixels or metapixels that you'd like, or whatever it is that you want to do. So that's saved. I'm done. This book is done. So this is how cool it is. Now this is the final part where I'm just going to publish this EPUB. Okay, so I'm just going to click this. This is part of an upsell, by the way, but it's so worth it because you see what I mean. So what this is doing is going inside my Amazon KDP. It's uploading and it's doing all the tedious work that I wouldn't want to do myself as a human, which is putting all the details, the description, the title, what book is it, the categories, all the little things that Amazon wants you to fill in. This is going to go and do it. The keywords, everything. I'm not doing anything, but just watching this do it for me. And it's saving me time because it takes about 15 to 10 minutes to actually put your book there. You can actually do this manually. We're not breaking any TOS. We're not asking our software to automate our things and publish it automatically and we're sitting around. What it's doing is just filling in all the information that we don't want to do as a human, a waste of time, and allowing this to do it for us. And then once it's done, I can go into my Amazon KDP, and I'll show you in a minute, where I just publish my book myself. I have to manually do it, so we're inside the TOS. We're not breaking policies. Nobody will get in trouble because you're not doing something bad here. You're not automating systems. Amazon doesn't want you to automate and publish without you being there, okay, or using an AI to do everything, etc. So it's about more of saving time instead of doing it manually, and you're going in and just fixing up anything that you might need to fix, but everything is pretty much filled in. All you have to do is just click on save, publish, and you should be good to go, etc. So I'm just letting it finish, and I'll come back as soon as it's done, which should take about a couple of minutes. I want to put this out there that this is like about since last year, we've been using it, over close to 2,000 customers using it. Nobody has had any issues. And again, we're doing it carefully. We're very good at what we do in terms of following policies and not breaking any. And this is where I built my reputation from. Okay, so as soon as it's done, now I can just basically come into my book area. Okay, so I'm going to go to my bookshelf, and here is the book, and it says continue to setup, and we're going to go to continue to setup. Okay, and we are here. All I'm going to do is come down and save and continue. Okay, everything's been filled in. All the manuscripts have been done. I'll just say that none of these informative images are causing any issues. Okay, I'm going to enroll this, and I'm going to go ahead. Everything is almost already ready. There's also a new royalty price to 70%, which is awesome. And we're going to go ahead and publish that ebook. Okay, so here's my ebook. This is the first book that I created, and we are good to go. Okay, so you can come into the research tool that we have, which is also a part of the upsell that we're going to have inside your funnel. And then in here, we'll say, for example, I want to do popcorn. Again, popcorn recipes. The reason why I want to do popcorn recipes is to showcase something as an idea of how you can take advantage of this. All right. So in here, you would go like, what would you want to do? Usually, I like to do what's missing in the target. Okay, what's something that is important that's missing from that niche? So you would come here and choose this, for example, and then you can choose like, okay, popcorn recipes. Okay, and you want to choose what? Global, United States, America. We'll do a comprehensive, and let's do Amazon KDP. Okay, so let's see what's missing from the popcorn recipes that I can create a book from. And then from here, we can do a lot. We can do a book factory and publish and generate many multiple books if you'd like, or we can do a one single off a situation. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. So right here, we have this one right here, and it says, again, another global popcorn flavor atlas, health conscious popcorn cookbook. Okay, so let's go with this one right here. This is the gap description, and we create an ebook. From here, we come in and we can create an active instant ebook. Everything is basically ready. No need to add world and the characters because we're not doing something there. This is general adult eaters, educational, or let's do a cookbook recipe. And yeah, we'll leave it as conversational. Okay, and then here, what you can do is take a link if you'd like of somewhere where you have your author page. Like for example, I've got my author page here, so I'm just gonna take that and put it in there, put it in the link into the author page. Okay, so it takes information about what I just did, get the keywords, put my price, get my KDP categories. Now, this is the example where I want to show you. So, for example, I'm promoting an offer from Amazon. Okay, so if I go to my Amazon Associates program, I can create a storefront where I can connect my Pinterest, etc. It depends on where I am in my country. And oh, look at this! A new sale came through in my Amazon affiliates. That's pretty cool. Okay, so basically I've got my links all done and I'm promoting this popcorn maker, okay? I'm promoting this popcorn maker. Let me show you. So I've got this site that I've built, okay? And then on here, I've got everything taking them over to the Amazon offer, the Amazon product, okay? So anybody purchasing this, I generate a certain percentage of commission from Amazon. And this is all from free traffic. And basically, the way that this works is that I can put my book, the book that I created, I can put the add my popcorn maker on here. So for example, create your popcorn. No, use this popcorn maker for these recipes. Okay, and then I can put my website of the popcorn maker. Now on here, I'm driving traffic, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna include images. I'll do photorealistic, and I'll do 5, and include audio, and we're gonna use GPT-2. Come back here, fix the template. So I want to do a cookbook, and let's do maximum. Okay, and I want to change the. I'll use that one, create campaign. All right, so it's planning my book, it's creating my book, and then I can put it online. That's one way of actually promoting this, okay? So you promote affiliate offers, websites, etc. Now, we can go into the book factory, and we can do a new production after you've got all the information that you want. And let's say popcorn recipes, more. This is popcorn recipes for popcorn maker. Maybe 6 books to propose, a DIY, cookbook recipes, playful, 60 to 80 pages. Okay, add my affiliate links, popcorn maker is my site. Okay, and next. GPT-1 and next. And we want to do font size extra large and price plan. Okay, so this is going to generate 6 books for me to go review, publish once they're done. So this is going to help you actually build so much more, so much faster, more targeted, more exactly how you should, making it easier for you to go in and then just publish them on Amazon KDP. Okay, so we've got these popcorn recipes. I can approve and generate, and they're going to be queued, and then we can repurpose them and we can recreate them, and we've got all these options that we can do, and then we can add them, on my site, or you can add an option for people to sign up with the collecting leads pages and stuff that we created for you and everything like that. So it's all here for you to actually come in and create your books into this amazing platform that we've created for you. Okay. And basically you're going to have everything in here for you to go out and do what it is that you need to do. Okay. So as you can see, the ones that I created before are here, and then you can come in and you can approve them and you can publish them. You can do whatever you want with them right here. Okay, so this is Royalty Profits AI. It's helping me build these books. These are the books that are helping me generate royalties. This is what my customers have been generating royalties from as well. And this is the best ebook software creator you're going to find that covers almost any niche that they're selling on Amazon. And not only that, you can do a URL to ebook, you can get a video to ebook, a PDF file source to ebook, you can create a short report lead magnet, and then you can come down and then you can go through these different categories for targeting different audiences, and also the purposes of what you want to create: art, design, children's book, cookbook, recipes, travel, memoirs, etc. This does not do puzzles. We're not here for puzzles, but more of the serious kind. And you can actually assign worlds and characters, your author, affiliate marketing tools. Everything is done for you easily. So you can just put in your click on buttons. You can get new titles, descriptions, and making life a lot easier for you. Telling you again, you should get into My Royalty Profits AI when it comes out on August the 21st at 11 a.m. For the users that are already customers of ours, please open up your emails. We'll be sending you information on how you can get access. The new features are going to be added inside your front end that we've added this year. Optional, obviously. If you don't want the worlds or the characters, then you won't need to upgrade. But we've changed things around as well. We've got the book factory, world character library, the world, the subscribers that you can build your pages from, and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in the next video.